Hi, today we'll be taking a look at tags, which is the way to create and track jobs or projects within Saasu. How do you create a job within Saasu? Well, it's as simple as adding a tag. You can add tags to almost anything within Saasu, to sales, purchases, to contacts, to payroll entries, to employees, and so on. And as an example, we'll go to purchases and we'll add a new purchase. And I'll show you an example of adding a tag. So what we'll do here is we'll put in a bill that we received. And this is where you insert tags. So for this example, I will type in bill to add the tag bill. However, I've already created it, so what I could do is simply click on this. And this is the way to create jobs or to track any projects that you are currently undertaking or planning on undertaking. And it's as simple as adding it to this field here. If you have multiple tags that you want to create, you can separate them with a comma and type in the following tag, and so on. But we'll just leave it as bill for this example. And then when you click save, it'll apply the tag to this transaction and it will record it. Now, to see this in action and to see how it actually works in terms of reporting, we'll run a profit and loss report and it'll make this much clearer. So I've run a multi-year profit and loss report and it shows that the business isn't doing so well. Our profit is, well, we aren't really making a profit. We lost $2,700 and that's really not good for our business. But being the business owner, you might have a more overview, you might have a higher level view of the business, and you might think, well, I think we actually did quite well in that March Madness sale that we had. An example of using tags would be to filter this report with every transaction relating to the March Madness sale. So all of the stock that you purchased, all of the payroll entries that you might have put through, or whatever it is that you put through in Saasu, you tag them with the tag March Madness, and you can run a report on the March Madness sale that you had. So if we view this report, it gives us a much different picture, or a much different view. You can see that we actually made $17,000 in the March Madness sale. So where our business looked to be struggling, we can think, well, maybe if we had a few more March Madness sales, that would get us back on track. And because you can add multiple tags, you can even say, well, during that March Madness sale, I remember Catherine working very, very hard. So if you run a profit and loss report on Catherine, you can see that during that time, she actually brought in, for that March Madness week, she actually brought in a profit of $3,000, or an amount of $3,800. So you can see that by using tags and slicing up your data, it provides you with a much better view of your financial data, where you can see you can see also the business as a whole, but you can also see separate areas within your business. And tags, there are really no limit to using tags. You can, like I said, you can apply multiple tags to transactions, to payroll entries, to contacts, to employees, to journals, and so on. And a tag can be, in fact, anything. So the example of March Madness is just an example of a sale. If you were to run a business and you have, say, separate departments, or you have separate salespeople, or your business is seasonal, and you want to know if certain months are better than others, or perhaps you want to track your bills, like the first example. You want to see how much you're actually spending on electricity bills, or gas bills, or anything like that. There really is no limit to using them. And it's difficult for me to say what you should use them for, because you know your business much better than I do. So if you think that you have an employee that you want to track more carefully, or you have anything that you want to get more financial data on, you can begin using tags. They're available on all plans, so they're not limited to just the large plan. You can use them on any plan. And you can start tagging your transactions. And the good thing is that it's not only the profit and loss reports that it's available on. almost all of the reports that we have, you can filter using tags. So that can help you, see a much better or a much clearer view of your business. If you want more information about tags, you can always click on the Help button. That will take you directly to our Help Center. And I clicked it from the wrong screen. I'll click View Tags. Now that we're on the tag screen, this also shows you a list of your tags. We can click on Help, and that will take you to our Help Center where you can see more information about tags. Thanks for watching.